Hello and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can get your own Apple Music artist page. Right here you're seeing my one. There's my songs that are all been released and my profile picture that I've customized. Now how do you go around getting a profile? Well, first things first, what you need to do is to go onto Google and type in Apple Music for Artists. Select that, and then what will happen is it'll bring you up to a page where it will say sign in or sign up. Now for me, because I already have my artist page, this is what it looks like. What do you need to sign in with? Well, just typically your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, create one. Then as you're going through that process, what you're going to find is that rather than bringing you up to a page like mine right here, it's going to ask if you have any songs out there on the moment on iTunes, because you need 100% to have songs released onto Apple Music or iTunes via a distributor to be able to claim your artist page. So let's say that yes, you have your songs already released. If you don't, there's a video on my channel telling you how you can release them for free. Well, you type in on Apple Music, for example, your name of the artist that you put in when you first created your song and the name of the song itself. So for example, Dylan Late Nights. It's then going to bring up the song right here. And what you can do is in the bottom right of the song, the three dots, select copy link. Now, once that link is copied, you can go back over to where you've signed in to Apple Music, and then you can begin to claim your artist page. It'll simply ask for you, once you're signed into your Apple ID account on Apple Music's Apple for Artists, to enter the song link that we just copied to claim your page. They'll run a few tests. That page, if it's not claimed already, will then become yours. You can't claim a page that has already been claimed. And then it will bring you up to your artist profile page exactly like this. It'll have all of your details. And here is where you can customize your image, the guidelines, the Q&A, any collaborations, and any other names you might have. You can even add a biography. You can then also promote your songs or measure how well they're doing, get overviews, trends, and all of the data that you want for your songs, you can then find here in Apple Music. So to concur, you have to sign into Apple Music via going on Google and looking for Apple Music for Artists. You have to have a song released, copy that link from the song, and during the sign up process, you want to select Claim Artist Page. And here's what the official guidelines say. Sign into Apple Music for Artists, download the app or create an Apple account, tap Request Artist Access, and copy and paste the iTunes Store link or iTunes Store Artist Page link to search. So once you paste your song link, or you can also paste your actual page artist link. So if the song link for whatever reason doesn't work, they're also saying that you can indeed go on to, let me find Apple Music again. Where the heck has this gone? Right about here, you can click on your own profile picture or your own profile, which will be empty, and instead of doing the song link, you can also click the three dots by your profile, which will be empty, and select copy link. And then you can essentially paste that link, find your profile, select the album to ensure you're claiming the right page. You have the primary artist role in the album successfully claimed, and then you can choose your role, whether you're an artist, manager, or label rep. You're more than likely going to be an artist, and then a bit of verification via signing into social media or distributor accounts, and then bosh. But yeah, like I said, very, very simple. The first things first is to sign up for Apple Music, create an account, and then go on having your links ready to copy and paste into that sign up process. But that was a quick question that I get often is, how do I claim a Spotify or Apple Music artist page? That is exactly how. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, leave a like and subscribe.